Remember going to Auntie Anne's and having the best pretzels ever? Follow this recipe to make pretzels that taste just a tiny little bit better. Hi everyone, I'm Vrinda. Welcome back to my channel Flowered. Today we're going to be making these yummy buttery pretzels. Let's get right in. I've been making these for over 3 years now and everyone in my house absolutely loves them. As always, I'll leave out a detailed recipe in the description, but you can follow the steps on the screen as well. Once you've added all the ingredients for your dough and it's been kneaded, check if it bounces back. If it bounces back, your dough is ready to be proofed. Here's a hack to get rid of that garlic smell from your fingers. Simply rub them from a stainless steel spoon, wash your hands and the smell will be gone. And here comes my most favorite part, to make the pretzel shape. It is honestly so therapeutic to watch and even more enjoyable to make. I simply roll out the dough balls into a cylindrical and then flatten them out to a length of 20 to 24 inches. The longer the length of the roll, the better the shape of the pretzel. You will be able to get a better knot in the pretzel, and that's what makes them look prettier. But hey, I'm not discriminating. I'm having any and every piece of the pretzel. Before you bake the pretzels, you have to soak them in a water and baking soda bath. That's what gives them the softness and the chewiness. I repeat, do not go over 30 seconds in this bath because the pretzels will become really gummy and they'll taste bitter. Making pretzels takes a lot of patience, but trust me, when you make these at home, you won't want to go back to the store. Press the minced garlic on top of the pretzels so that it sticks to the dough. Then slather them with melted butter. You can use an egg wash as well in this case, but since we're making eggless pretzels, I use melted butter. Preheat your oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit and bake them until golden brown. It'll usually take anywhere between 12 to 16 minutes. And look at that color. I am honestly salivating as I record this audio. Spread more melted butter on top of the pretzels, wait for them to cool down for a minute or two, and then dig in. They'll be the best pretzels you ever had. Thank me later and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.